Hi everyone, I'm Ben and welcome back to the Epilog Studio. For this episode, we'll be focusing on personal protection equipment with the creation of a quick to cut and assemble acrylic face shield designed to support those on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. We'll be using Johnson Plastics 24x12 20 thou inch thick, thin, flexible acrylic, which is perfect for this project and similar applications. If you're interested in purchasing this plastic for your own face shield projects, head over to Johnson Plastics website and search for Crystal Gloss Clear Acrylic. Special shout out and thank you to Jason Reizner with the Bauhaus Form Function Lab located in Germany for their Creative Commons Bauhaus Uni Visor design file. The file includes a 2-part headband accommodated for smaller lasers with a 24x12 work area and assembly instructions. Links to the materials and files are provided on the page or in the description below. For this project, we'll be utilizing our Fusion Pro laser machine with iris camera registration technology. At the laser, we're going to begin by placing the 24x12 Crystal Gloss Clear Acrylic into our laser machine. Then, using the autofocus feature, we'll bring the material into focus for cutting. With the cut file now open in our design software, you'll notice there are 2 variants to the face shield headband. Variant A requires a larger laser and larger sheet of acrylic, where Variant B has been reconfigured to accommodate smaller lasers and a common sized sheet of 24x12 inch acrylic. Before we print this job to the laser, we're going to select the parts we need, place them into a new file set up for a 24x12 inch sheet of plastic, and convert all of our cut lines to a single color, in this case black. With our parts now pasted into our new file, and all of the lines now converted to one color, we're going to print our cut lines to the laser and apply our necessary settings to cut out the face shield parts. Within the Epilog software suite, we'll set the process type to vector, speed to 20, power to 100, and frequency to 100. Then print the file to the laser for cutting. Depending on the configuration and wattage of your laser system, and thickness of the type of material you use, we suggest running a few test cuts to dial in the settings for your specific laser machine. Now at the laser system, we'll select our laser job from the touchscreen control panel, then press the Go button to begin cutting our parts. Once the acrylic face shield parts are finished cutting, we'll remove them from the laser bed and begin removing the masking material from both sides of the 3 parts which make up the face shield. With the masking material removed, we'll begin assembling our mask using the assembly guide provided by Bauhaus. For the 2-part headband section, begin by combining the 2 headband pieces together and locking them in place with the locking tab. Once we have the headband pieces connected, we'll insert the headband through the face shield holes and utilize the Bauhaus instructions from this point forward to complete assembling the face shield. You may need to test fit the headband and make adjustments for the user, but once fit properly, the headband should sit comfortably as shown here. With the face shield complete, there you have it, a PPE face shield quickly created with an inexpensive sheet of acrylic and an Epilog laser machine. Thanks for watching, and please stay safe and healthy.